Cow.
The cow says moo and eats grass all day.
Dog.
The dog says woof and loves to play.
Cat.
The cat says meow and takes long naps.
Duck.
The duck says quack and swims in the pond.
Lion.
The lion says roar and rules the jungle. Elephant. The elephant trumpets loudly with its big trunk. Great job learning these animals.
See you next time.